Hello everyone. So this is our second video of Pandas series. In the first video we have already seen how we can create our own data frame. In this video we will look at how we can import a data frame from the internet. So I downloaded one data frame into my local PC. So what we are going to do is we are just giving a data frame name with a syntax pt.read underscore cv, and we are giving a path from our local PC. You need to observe here is that we are using forward slash here. So if I run it and if I just give movie underscore data, movies underscore data, it will give me a movies data set. So let's try with second. So the same syntax pt.read underscore cv and a path. So if I run it and just say this, so I'm getting uh, another dataset directors data. So what we are going to do is we will be performing some operations here. So let's say I just need first five rows. First five rows from directors data. So what I can do, I can just write directors data dot head. If I just do this, you can observe we have got only first five rows. The same way, if I want bottom five rows, what I can do, I can just say directors data dot tail. So here you can see I got last five rows. The same way, if you want to specify how much rows you want, you can specify here. Let's say I'm using head here and I say I need 10 rows from the starting. So what I got 10 rows here. The same way, if I want 10 rows from the bottom, I got 10 rows from the bottom. So this is what we are using head and tail to extract particular rows. So